Hello everyone, my name is Manushree. I am studying 9th class in Mathman High School, Vijayawada. Today, I am here to tell today's Hindu editorial analysis on 28 June 2021. The two topics that were given in our editorial page are Another Shade of Grey and Caution and Optimism. We'll discuss the first topic in our today's video, that is Another Shade of Grey. So, before, let's just have a small look of the second topic, caution and optimism. Third wave may be weaker than second, but vaccination preventive steps must stay high. Means the third wave may be somewhat weaker than the second wave. So we cannot neglect that, and we have to take more preventive steps, or means we all have to be vaccinated, and we should take some more preventive steps to go against that, to go against the pandemic we are facing. And we have to take all this in a high standard so that we can easily fight with that. Okay, so let's get into our today's topic. Another shade of grey. While Pakistan stays on FATF list, India must push for justice in cross-border terror attacks. Means while Pakistan was on the Financial Action Task Forces, the list, then the India must go in much justice forward for taking the cross terror attacks that were taking place between India and Pakistan. Okay, Pakistan's hopes of being let of the Financial Action Task Force's grey list were dashed once again, as the 39-member grouping decided to keep it on the list and even add more tasks. Eventually, Pakistan missed the mark by one crucial action point out of 27, being judged deficient in prosecuting the senior leadership of UN prescribed terror groups. The FATF works closely with the UN Security Council listing of terror groups as it evaluates the countries on their efforts in anti-money laundering or countering the financing of terrorism. Pakistan's failure to convict JEM chief Masood Azhar and others appeared to tip the balance against it. Okay, see, means now the Pakistan is hoping for for being in the FATF grey list, so that it can launch once again that the 39 grouping member who have decided to do more other adding tasks, means to do more extra other tasks. Okay, so now the Pakistan has missed some of the one crucial action, that was with the pointing out 27, and it was being very judged, that was finishing this, that was taking off by the senior leadership of the UN, which has went illegal terror groups. Okay, see here the three words dashed, prosecuting and prescribed. These three words meanings are: dashed, it means toss, slam or launch. Dashed means toss, slam or launch. Prosecuting, it means execute, charge or finish. Execute, charge or finish. Prescribed, it means forbid, prohibit or ban. Prescribed means prohibit, forbid or ban. Okay, the Pakistani government publicly protested the decision, pointing out that many other countries that had largely completed the action plans handed to them have been delisted. They have been delisted in the past. Pakistan, which was on the FATF's increased monitoring lists from 2009 to 2015, was taken off the grey list in 2015 in a similar manner. Okay, see, means Now the Pakistan government has newly taken a decision that they are appointing some of the countries, and they were completely taking the action on those by planning their plans, okay, and implementing them. Also, the Pakistan now, which was on the FATF's list, which has increased the monitoring list, that was from the 2009 2015, that was taken on the grey list in the 2015 as in the similar manner, means when it was taken before in again it was relisted in the 2018. Okay, see here, money laundering. Money laundering, it means concealing or hiding. Concealing or hiding. Lobbying, it means to seek to influence, persuade, sway. Seek to influence, persuade or sway. Pakistani leaders have predictably lashed out at India for lobbying for its continued listing, while others have hinted that the decision stems from a refusal to allow the US the use of its bases after America's pull out from Afghanistan. Okay, means the Pakistan leaders, they have noted about the concealing, means they have noted about the future plans that were going to take in, and they were to be continued in the list, and they have taken some decision steps to allow the US, means US and to the use of the bases of the Americas to pull out from the Afghanistan. Means they are taking the help of America, okay, to take out the Afghanistan. At FATF hearings, the Imran Khan government said it had introduced and amended terror financing laws, which had enabled the prosecution of more than 30 unprescribed. Okay, means after hearing all the FATF, the hearings, so Imran Khan, the government has taken and introduced some of the terror financing laws, which has enabled more than 30 UN prescribed, means UN bans. Okay. While it is nuclear, how many of those are actually serving jail time? The convictions and prison terms between 15 to 30 years are a break from the past. Okay, so this is our today's topic. Thank you.